Neanderthal. Father, daughter, and DNA found from a Serbian cave 49,000 years ago. Neanderthals began to live in a cave in the Altai Mountains in Serbia. Over a period of about 100 years, there were 12 Neanderthals there. They are Neanderthals, close relatives. Who were Neanderthals? Neanderthals have been the closest evolutionary cousins of humans. The evidence of how they have been our cousins is in their genes present in human DNA. From time to time, it is known, near the place in Serbia where this cave was located, there were many bison, deer, and horses. In this case, a young girl loses her tooth while chewing the meat of a bison, and this broken tooth of his remained there with the bones of other Neanderthal skeletons. 49,000 years later, some researchers in Germany found this tooth with other bones, but it was not known which. What is the structure? Researchers analyze all these bones and try to extract DNA from them. Obtaining DNA from fossils is quite a difficult task. Generally, obtaining this DNA is an almost impossible task. But with extreme scrutiny we can obtain from animal teeth or other bones. When this DNA was studied, this DNA was very similar to one person out of the 12 people in this group. It was showing a relationship. After further investigation, it was found that this tooth DNA belonged to the daughter of a person living in this cave. Along with this, the 700,000 sites of the DNA of the genomes of these 12 people studied, after which it was found that they were relatives, because the changes in their DNA were so small that they could have occurred in only 3 or 4 generations. In the last 10 years, we have still 19 Neanderthals DNA was found. These 19 Neanderthals were distant relatives of each other, and most of the skeletons found were females. But the research on this cave proved to be quite different, thus, human. In history, we learned for the first time that Neanderthals also lived in the form of families like us. But the time when these 12 people lived in this cave in Serbia was the time of the extinction of Neanderthals. How did we find out? After studying these cave dwellers, we found that these Neanderthals share a large amount of nuclear DNA with each other, which can indicate ancestry, and it is similar to the Neanderthals of Spain. And there, the DNA of the Y chromosome in these individuals was not very different. The variation in it was as much as in today's extinct gorillas, and this indicates a decreasing number of males in their species. Yihei.